Neo9S Pro Plus. In the fast-paced world of smartphones, consumers are constantly looking for the latest and greatest devices to meet their needs. One brand that has been making waves in the industry is Vivo, and their latest release, the Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus, is no exception. This mid-range smartphone is packed with high-end features and specifications that are sure to impress even the most discerning tech enthusiasts. The Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus boasts a stunning design that is sure to turn heads. With a sleek aluminum alloy frame, glass front and back panels, and leather accents, this device exudes luxury and sophistication. The device comes in a striking blue color, with a thickness of 8.34 millimeters and a weight of 193 grams, making it both stylish and comfortable to hold. The device features a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, a refresh rate of 144 Hz, and a maximum brightness of 1400 nits HBM, HDR10 Plus support. The display offers vibrant colors and sharp contrast for an immersive viewing experience. To complement the stunning display, the Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus is equipped with stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos support, delivering rich and immersive audio quality for an enhanced multimedia experience. iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, built on a cutting-edge 4nm architecture. With options for either 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM, users can expect lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking capabilities. Storage options range from 256GB to a whopping 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, providing ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. In terms of performance, iQOO Neo9S Plus excels with an impressive AnTuTu score of 233,351, showcasing its raw processing power and efficiency. The device also features a fingerprint display for added security and convenience, ensuring that your data remains safe from unauthorized access. Additionally, iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus is equipped with a sophisticated cooling system to prevent overheating during intensive tasks, ensuring optimal performance at all times. The device features a dual camera setup, consisting of a 50-megapixel Sony IMX921 standard lens with an aperture of f1.88, 50-megapixel Samsung S5K Gen 1 wide-angle macro lens with an aperture of f2.0. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or detailed close-up shots, iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus delivers stunning image quality with crisp detail and vivid colors. On the front, the device sports a 16-megapixel selfie camera with an aperture of f2.45, perfect for capturing high-quality self-portraits and video calls. With features such as optical stabilization, OIS, 4K video recording, and even 8K video capabilities, iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus ensures that you can capture every moment with unparalleled clarity and precision. Powering Neo9S Pro Plus is a massive 5,500 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting usage on a single charge. With support for blazing fast 120-watt fast charging, you can top up your device in no time and get back to using it without any downtime. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, Neo9S Pro Plus has the battery life and fast charging capabilities to keep up with your busy lifestyle. Overall, Neo9S Pro Plus is a standout mid-range smartphone that offers premium features and performance at an affordable price point. With its sleek design, powerful hardware, impressive camera capabilities, and advanced connectivity options, this device is sure to elevate your smartphone experience to new heights. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a content creator, or a casual user, iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus is a device that ticks all the boxes and delivers a truly immersive and enjoyable user experience. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe